Welcome to this guide on consensus mechanisms. In this video, we'll explore how blockchain networks achieve agreement without relying on a central authority. Consensus mechanisms are the fundamental protocols that enable distributed networks to work together and maintain a shared version of truth. Consensus is the process by which distributed nodes in a blockchain network reach agreement on the current state of the network. In traditional systems, a central authority like a bank validates transactions. But in blockchain, there's no central authority. Instead, consensus mechanisms create a trustless system where multiple independent computers agree on which transactions are valid and in what order they occurred. This shared truth is what makes blockchain technology so powerful and revolutionary. Consensus mechanisms solve several critical problems in blockchain networks. First, they prevent double spending, which means stopping someone from spending the same digital coins twice. Second, they ensure everyone agrees on a single truth about the transaction order. Third, they protect the network against malicious actors who might try to manipulate the system. And finally, they maintain the overall integrity and consistency of the blockchain, ensuring all nodes stay synchronized with the same data. Proof of work is the original consensus mechanism, made famous by Bitcoin. In this system, miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles to validate transactions and create new blocks. This process requires significant computational power and energy. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the block to the chain and receives a reward. While this approach is highly secure, because attacking the network would be extremely expensive, it does consume a lot of electricity and computing resources. Let's walk through how proof of work operates. First, pending transactions are collected and bundled into a block. Then, miners work to find a special number called a nonce that produces a valid hash for that block. This requires trying billions of different combinations. When a miner finds the solution, they broadcast the block to the network. Other nodes verify the work is correct, and if valid, the block is added to the blockchain. This entire process ensures security through computational effort. Proof of stake offers a more energy-efficient alternative to proof of work. Instead of miners competing with computational power, validators are chosen based on how much cryptocurrency they're willing to stake or lock up as collateral. The more coins someone stakes, the higher their chances of being selected to validate the next block. This system doesn't require solving complex puzzles, making it much more environmentally friendly. Validators still earn rewards, but through transaction fees rather than mining new coins. Here's how proof of stake functions in practice. First, users who want to become validators lock up a certain amount of cryptocurrency as their stake. The network's algorithm then selects a validator based on factors like stake size and other randomization methods. The chosen validator creates and proposes a new block of transactions. If the block is accepted by other validators, it's added to the chain, and the validator earns transaction fees as a reward. If a validator tries to cheat, they can lose their staked coins as punishment. Beyond proof of work and proof of stake, several other consensus mechanisms exist. Proof of history creates verifiable timestamps for transactions, establishing a chronological order of events. Delegated proof of stake allows token holders to vote for delegates who validate blocks on their behalf. Proof of authority uses pre-approved validators with verified identities, often used in private blockchains. And proof of burn requires validators to destroy or burn coins to earn mining privileges. Each mechanism has unique characteristics suited for different use cases. When comparing proof of work and proof of stake, several key differences emerge. Proof of work consumes very high amounts of energy, while proof of stake is very energy efficient. Proof of work has proven security over many years, while proof of stake offers strong and evolving security. Proof of stake generally processes transactions faster than proof of work. For entry barriers, proof of work requires expensive mining hardware, while proof of stake requires capital to stake. Both have their strengths depending on the network's priorities. Let's recap the key points. Consensus mechanisms enable trustless agreement in decentralized networks, allowing strangers to transact without needing a middleman. Each mechanism involves different trade-offs between security, speed, and energy consumption. Proof of work prioritizes proven security through computational effort, while proof of stake emphasizes efficiency and sustainability. The choice of consensus mechanism significantly affects a blockchain's performance, energy usage, and overall sustainability. Understanding these mechanisms is essential for grasping how different blockchain networks operate and why they make different design choices.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.